Gelato print on demand tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Gelato and how you can use it to start your print on demand business. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to sign up, and the sign up process is very simple. All you got to do is click on the sign up now button over here, and you just enter in your email address and your details, and then Gelato asks you a bunch of questions, and once you're done that, you're good to go. Now I've already created an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So when you sign up, this is how it's going to look like. Right over here, you're going to have all of your options over here. These are the products that you can go ahead and purchase for yourself. For example, like if you wanted to have your own custom design or your own custom image to have a shirt on, you can go ahead and choose it over here. So once you've done that, you're good to go. Now if you were wondering if you wanted to create a business and sell that design online, you can do that as well. For that, you're going to have to do three things. First, you're going to have to connect to a store. You're going to have to create a product. You're going to have to publish it. Now I've done all three of these, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. Right, first we're going to connect to a store. Right, so come over here on the left side. You're going to have all these different options. Simply click on the store option right here. It's going to take you over to the store list where you can see a bunch of different stores. Now I've already connected a Shopify account over here. Since I'm using a free account, I can connect one more. Right, so over here you can connect to any store. So I'm going to connect to a Wix. For that, I'm going to log into over here onto another platform, and over here I'm going to create a website. Pretty simple, nothing too serious. I'm just simply going to go ahead and select one of the templates, and then I'll show you how you can connect it. All right, so this is the store that I chose. Pretty simple, nothing too serious. So now I'm just simply going to go ahead and publish it. All right, and I'm going to click on save and continue, and I'm going to click on done, and we are good to go. Right, now let me just go back over here to my sites. It has been published, right? Yep. All right, so I think my site has been created. Let's go to all sites, and over here we can see it. All right, so now we'll go back, and I'll just simply click on connect to Wix. It's going to open up over here, and I'm going to connect to my store. I'm going to click on connect Wix. All right, so now I'm just simply going to click on add to site, and okay, the authentication has been completed. We'll just simply close it. All right, so now we have our Wix store. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Now what we need to do is we need to create an account. So for that, we'll go into product catalog. We can just simply click on add product over here. Click on add product, and we'll choose the type of product we want. So I'm going to click on men's clothing, and I'll just simply a t-shirt. And then it's going to take us over here to the design section where we just simply upload the design and edit out the shirt. So if you don't have a design or you don't know how to create one, you can go over to canva.com, and it's going to allow you to create a pretty amazing and pretty simple looking t-shirt design. So let me just show you. All right, so over here we're on Canva, and these are all the highlights. So you're not going to find a t-shirt option over here. So for that, you're just simply going to search for t-shirts over here into the template section, and you will see professional t-shirts or t-shirts. So just choose whichever one you want, and then it's going to take you over here onto the template section where you just simply create a simple looking template that you can see over here. So you can either use one of these templates or you can create one yourself. So I'm going to click on create over here onto the Canva, and over here we can go ahead and create a design. Right, so it doesn't have to be anything serious. You can even create something like this. Right, so let me just show you, even though this is available for pro, but you can still create one. So let me show you. So for that, I think there's a red circle, so we'll just simply search for circle. But this is the template, so let's go over here onto the elements, and over here we can see the circle, and we even have a Japanese text as well, so we can add that as well. So I'm going to click on the shape, and I'm going to click over here, and I'm going to put a red color, and I'll put over here into the middle. Then I'll simply put the text over here as well, right in the middle. There you go. So now since it's a little bit out there, so let me just put this right over here into the circle. There you go. So as you can see, pretty simple design, nothing too serious, but you can go ahead and do this one, or let me just actually create one of the designs that we saw. So now we'll just simply search for a city. So this is the one that was shown over there. So we can just put it right anywhere like this. And then in the background, we'll just change the color to black, and boom, here we go. So as you can see, looks pretty nice, looks pretty cool. Then you can add a bunch of different text over here so that it can be however you want it to be. And once you've edited that design, just simply click on the download option over here, then download it, and then you can go ahead and upload it as well. I want to create another one, but pretty simple looking design. First I'm gonna save the older design over here into pictures. I'm gonna convert the black background over here, turn it to white. I'm gonna search for like a skull. And over here we have a bunch of different options. So you can choose whichever one you like. Something like this would look also cool on a shirt, right? Pretty simple, nothing too serious. You can add other text as well, but I personally like simple shirts that have no text at all. You can add like some graphic form over here, like this one, and you can go with that. What you can other do is like, let me create another one just for the show of it. Go into graphics as well. And let me just search for like a cute skull like this one as well. You can go with this one, but I actually want to change the colors of it as well. So actually, let me go with the red one. And for the other darker one, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna choose the red word color, but I'm gonna turn it a little bit darker. So something like this, right? Let me just put it in the middle like that. This one as well, put it in the middle. Yeah, I think that looks good. Then we just again simply download them, right? So it's downloading all of the options. And once it's downloaded, we can just simply save it. So now let me just open it up and export it over here. So these are all the images, but they have a background, the white background. They're not in PNG. For that, you're gonna need Canva Pro. But you can also go over here onto background remover, and you can just simply go over here and upload the files like this one. Just simply click on OK, and it's gonna remove the background. There you go. Pretty simple, right? You can even edit this as well. Now I want to edit this. I want some to have a background, but I don't really want it. So I actually want to restore this actually. So I'm gonna turn this one over here and I'm gonna have like this white background over here because I want to restore the original color. I don't want a background, so I'll just restore the colors within the, just simply, do a little bit out so that no edges is left, and then we can remove the edges as well. So now that that's done, let me just zoom in and I'll click on erase and I'll smaller brush size so that we can erase all of the background. And when you've done that, you just simply download it, right? I'm going to download it over here onto saved pictures. We'll close that and we'll again upload this one as well. And since this one doesn't need it anything, so we'll just download it. And I would also like to upload this one. And since this one did have a black background, we're going to have to edit this one as well. And once that's done, you can come over here and upload your design. So for now, I do want to have a black and white, and we can add our designs over here, right? So what we can do is we can just simply upload our designs. So these are our designs. So what we'll do is we'll click on add new, we'll click on add image, we'll click on add from my device. And then from pictures, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select these two that I have and I'm going to simply upload them. And once they're uploaded, we can add them as our designs. All right, so as you can see, they're added. So if we click on the white one, this is how it's going to look like. It looks pretty cool, right? Same on the black one as well. But for the black one, I don't want to have the same design. I think I had required a little bit more editing, but it is what it is. So we'll actually replace it with the red skull. So over here, this is going to be the red one, right? So once that's done, just simply click on proceed and click on connect to media. And over here, you just simply select the mockups over here. Like you select the models that are wearing the shirt, right? Since there's nothing on the back, we don't need a back version. So once that's done, just simply click on continue to details. And over here, you just edit the product out. You add the details of the product and you add the title, the description. And once you've done that, simply click on continue to prices. And over here, you simply add the prices in it. So over here, as you can see, $10. So this is the price of the product. And over here, you're going to have your profit. So you can, decrease the price or increase the price, whatever you want. It all depends on you. Once you've done that, just wait for it to be saved. And once it's saved, just simply click on the publish icon and it's going to be published into your store. So over here, as you can see, it's publishing now. It's pushing the product to the store. And once it's done that, we are good to go. Okay, so it couldn't be published, but it should be published. There you go. now it's published. So as you can see, now it's published and we are good to go. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. Next step for you to do is just simply go into your billing section over here and add your payment methods and stuff like that, so that way you can actually receive your payments as well. So for that method, each method is going to be different for different countries. So if you're somewhere around the world, somewhere different than my own country, then for that you're going to have to upload your own bank details. So those are the things that you need to know about Gelato. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.